Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph or a JPEG of different text. He actually said, well, it does repeat. I see. I don't know what language this is, so he's going to have to type his text. I just typed that, and I actually made it a dotted font called Dolly Dots that I got off of the DA fonts. And this is pretty simple. Just make a curved line. We're going to make a new one. I'm going to take a 2-point line, kind of make it about the length and hold down the control button. Then go here to the distort. The distort is underneath your drop shadow flyout. And then start adding nodes right here. And you can see the nodes. And I didn't make the first one as wavy, I think, as the other one. So I want to make it a little wavy and then go right here to smooth distortion. And that makes that line. Now, I'm not going to get into too much, but just let's set our nudge factor on 2 inches. And let's Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. And it might be easier to separate them out. We're going to try, not to. I'm going to take this first one. And first of all, so this one is, I'm going to make them all 50 inches. So with my ratio locked, I'm going to make, you know what? I'm going to make it unlocked. I'm going to make them all 50 inches. And I think the other ones are 50. And that's going to make life a little easier. I don't think, 2 inches isn't going to make any difference. And the other ones are a little bit longer than 50. So, what we could do, we could put all these on one line. I'm going to hit L, it's going to put them all to the left, and then I'm going to make them all 50 inches. And then I can grab all these, and you can see they're all 50 inches. And it might be really better to have them separated out anyway, because we're going to text the path, and we don't want to get on there. But we need to find out how long our path is. Probably should have done that before I made duplicates. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Properties, and go right here to this curve tool, and we got 53. And so what we're going to do is 53.2. We're going to make this 52. And we're going to make all these 52. I don't think by stretching them it's going to make any difference. So now we can take this first one and go up to text, fit text to path, and put it on that path. See, let me back up here. The other one, that one is kind of getting in our way. We shouldn't have that problem when we're going down. Text to path, put it on that path. It's not exactly right. And that's what I'm going to say about separating them out. So now we can take that one and let's nudge it up a couple of times. Now we need this line so you can figure out the length. And then I'm going to nudge it up. Get the pick tool. And it'll stay on that line. Now we'll get this line. And you know what? If it's repetitive, you don't have to do that. Let's just delete that. And what we can do, we can select them both, go to Object, break the 4 apart, get rid of our path. And remember, we got a 2-inch nudge, so I'm going to hit the plus key and go twice, and then Control D, Control D, Control D. So I'm hoping that's what he wanted. Some of it looks like English, but he'll have to type that out. Now, I don't know, if he wants that distressed look, but he'll let me know. He's actually another part of the world and already asleep. Hope that helps. Thank you for watching.